My name's Nathan Ryman. I'm a project manager with Area Electric. I've been in the trades for over 20 years. I started when I was out of high school. Family had a small business. They were building a shop. Met an electrician there. He asked me to come work for him, did some part-time work. Decided to get into trade schools. I did that for 2 years. When I graduated from that, went in, applied with a company out in California. Worked for them for 10 years. Went back to apprenticeship program. I started around $9.50 an hour when I started. When I left that company in 2010, I was making over $120,000 a year. Some of the things that helped me progress along in my career is I took as many classes and courses I could come across, code classes. I tried utility work, just branched out across the board on all the different trades to see what I really liked and wanted to get into.